Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about new scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding. So different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, and the Power BI and DAX as well as integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step. What I've done here is, so before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report on. Okay, so dim customer, dim geography, dim product, sales territory, dim date, category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding a relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. Just click on model, collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. So I'll try to zoom in so that we can see clearly everything. So now we can see that, so already I have established between the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on the product key column, I have enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and the fact tables. Okay, so now we can see, so even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that a filter for application flowing from the dim product to internet sales. Likewise, I have enabled the relationship. Even you can enable both the direction, but it's up to the requirement. For timing, we'll try to understand through this report only, but going forward we'll try to understand, so what are the options that are available in the relationship. We'll try to explore that. Just click on report. So now we can see that, so these are all our card visuals and this is the text box. So here I am displaying the last 4 week sales data. So if you watch my previous video, so that you'll get more understanding on today's video only. So please try to watch my previous video about last 4 week sales data, because in my previous video I have explained how to get the 4 week sales data. But in this video, if you don't have week numbers or in a sequence manner, how to display the last 4 week sales data? So if the week numbers are not in a sequence manner, so how to display last 4 week sales data? So by seeing data we can understand. In 2004 we have week 9, week 4, only 2 weeks are available. In 2003, 52, 51. Okay, so even the week numbers are not in a sequence like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but even though it's not in a sequence, but we are displaying the last 4 weeks, say week sales in my report. Now you can see the data also, so that you'll get understanding. In 2004 we have only 2 weeks, week 4, week 9, but in 2003, see, week 52, 51, there is no 53. Okay, but even though we are displaying what are the weeks available from the last day to displaying the 4 week sales data, because here weeks are not in sequence manner like a 4, 5, 6, as I said earlier, it's not there. But even though we are displaying so week sales, so for that, so what I've done here is, so I'll try to show that what are the steps I have followed to get the how to get this week 9/4, because there are some cases some business won't get data for every week. So this case will be suitable if the business having every week sales data. So in that case it will be really helpful. So I will try to show what kind of steps I have followed to get this weeks and all. So go to the Power Query editor. So here, based on my transaction table or fact table, I have taken as a reference of another table, week sales table. Here from the transaction table I have taken year as well as week. So along with that I have created index. So now we can see that in 2004 week 9, in 2004 week 3, and 2003, so remaining weeks. okay, remaining weeks. Here you can see that I have created index from the descending order. I have created the index from the descending order. Based on that, I'm just extracting even the week numbers are not in a sequence manner, because so if we created this correctly, it will work as we expected, because based on the index only we are trying to pull the last 4 weeks, even though it's not in a sequence. For example, in this case 9 means one index is 1 and 4 means 2, so based on that I'm just trying to pull the last 4 weeks. So likewise, so I have implemented this solution, but it's working. I have tested thoroughly, it's working as we expected. So that's all for today's video. I think I have covered all scenarios, like how to display last 4 years and quarters in different ways, and months, weeks. So I think I have covered all the videos. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email. I'll drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you.